Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to see a channel's info on WhatsApp Web with the new update. First, open a web browser on your PC and go to web.whatsapp.com. If you're not logged in, scan the QR code with your WhatsApp mobile app. Once inside, look at the left panel and click the channels icon. This will show all the channels you follow or might be interested in. Use the search bar at the top to find a specific channel quickly. Next, click on the channel name you want to view. At the top of the chat window, click the channel's name or profile picture. The channel info panel will slide open on the right side, showing all details including description, rules, admin contacts, and previous messages. And that's it. You've successfully accessed a channel's info on WhatsApp Web, making it easier to explore and manage your channels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.